Oh, as I was saying before, that I'll just listen till I sleep. I'll listen and sleep at the same time. Oh, okay. There's a big tsunami coming. Everybody, go in shelter in high ground. A tsunami? No, there's no time to waste. Come on, let's go behind him. Yeah, let's follow him, but I can't go without my mother. Where did she go? Oh, I think I see her wing. Oh no, I'll pull you out of there, mother. Yeah, me too. It's my mother too, you know. Yeah, both of our mothers. Now, pull. Oh yeah, that's the tail, not the wing. Okay, we almost got her out. I'm getting squished. Help me. Okay, mother. Phew, we got her out. But where's father? Oh, let's find him. Oh, there he is. Hey, father. Yeah. Did you heard about the tsunami coming here in the Arabian Sea? Yeah, I sure did. Come on, let's go. Before it comes, but let's take my mother. Ow. Okay, don't waste time. Yeah, there might be a little mistakes in this video, but I'm sure it's coming perfectly. Yeah, all videos are coming perfectly, right guys? Ow. Oh, phew. Somebody help me. Okay. Ow. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. Okay. Let me come as well. Me too. Yeah. Hey, what's this plastic bag doing here? Wait, what are you doing? We should not do it, you know. It was Earth Day just a few days before. Didn't you learn that? Oops, sorry. It's okay. Let's go. Oh, let me find a higher ground with my mother. Where did she go? Oh, there she is. Okay, we both will find the highest ground here, and you just wait for us. Okay. I'm a newborn, so can you take me too? Yeah, it will be adventurous, so I'll take you too. Yay! I wish that they will be okay. Good luck! Okay, my friends. Now, let's search out. Oh no! I think I see the tsunami. Come on! Quick! I think this is a very high ground. So, let's stay here. Yeah. Let's call out the others shouting. Yeah. Call in 3, 2, 1. Friends! We found the higher ground. Let me see. Oh, I'm coming. Run for your life, man. Ouch. Are you okay, Pigeon? Mr. Pigeon? Yeah, I'm okay. There we go. There we go. Come on, kids. Yay. Not yay. No, oh no. Yeah, okay, of course. Oh no. Oh, where did my other child go? Oh, there he is. There she is. This is a sister, this is a brother. Both are like twins. Come on, let's go. Little babies. Yay! Father will come behind us. Okay. Phew, we are here. Yeah. We have to stay alert, you know. Yeah, of course. I'm coming, guys. Oh, what's this thing? Let me just put it there. Okay. Okay, I'm here. But there's not much space in this higher ground. Whoosh. Oh no, the tsunami is coming in more 3 minutes. Oh no! We have to search another higher place. What about that? Those two higher places? Oh, that will fit all of us. Huh? Oh no, there's no space. Huh? There's more higher ground here. Okay, it's very comfortable as well. But don't sleep. Yeah, we have to stay alert. I'm never going to sleep. After the tsunami goes, then I'll sleep. No. Okay. Who said no? I did. Okay. I don't know. Okay. Let me balance here. How can you balance? There's just a big gap. Do you see that? Just in the middle. The wave will just grab you from behind and whoosh, you will just go into deeper sea. Don't worry, I will be okay. Okay, I trust you. Because you are my group member. Oh, okay. Chicky, be fast. Yeah. Are you fat? That's why you're not coming? No, nothing like that. Okay. Come on, others. What are you doing? Oh, I'm coming. Just these books are making it hard. So let me just put it here. There we go. Now we have space. Okay. Come on, others. I just told you. What are you doing? Oh, coming. Oh, the swan is coming. Yeah, even though I am a water bird, I can't dodge that giant tsunami, the humongous one that you told. Yeah, of course. Nobody can dodge that. Even the villains. They are also in high ground. Hey, I cannot do anything. Okay, let's just leave him. I don't know where are the others, but just leave him. Yeah, because he's not doing any bad stuff. Come on, let's go. I'm little, so I need only little space. So this will work. Okay, I'm coming. Come on, the duck. Even though penguins, me, duck, and penguins, swans, and ducks are not able to dodge, even though they are water birds. Are you confused? Yeah, I'm just too scared, that's why. Okay. Don't shiver, otherwise it will make you more scary. Oh, okay. Come on. Why are you not coming? Okay, I'm coming. Phew. Okay. I'm coming. Oh look, there comes another villain. Hi. Yeah. Okay, they are not doing anything, so just leave them. Yeah. Okay. Now the kids big brother. Yeah. Oranges and blue jays. Come on, there are 2 more left. You both have to be quick. Oh, okay. There's ostrich also. Come on, you 3. Why are you so late? Otherwise the tsunami will wash you away in the deep sea. No, I'm just going to sit here. No, your leg is just going to drown. The tsunami will pull your leg with its high force. Oh, there we go. I hope this works. Even though this is high ground, maybe this will work. I don't know. It will work or not. I don't know. I hope I don't wash away from an island because it would be bad. I would be far from a group. Yeah, luggage is still here. So, I'm coming. Okay, it's almost arrived. 2 seconds. Oh no! Oh no! I will count. Okay, no, I will count because I know the actual time it's coming. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm here. 3, Oh no, I see it. No, I fell down. 2. Okay, phew. 1. Here it is. Oh no, hold on tight. Yay, we are safe. No, the news said that there will be 7 whole tsunamis. Oh no, 7 tsunamis? No, 10. What? Oh no. I'm so scared for this one. Yeah, maybe it's a bigger and badder one. Yeah, my tail is very wet. My too. I'm not the only one. I too. Everybody is wet. Even the villains. So, let's just hold on tight. No way, there's one extra. 11 tsunamis! What? Okay. Okay. Oh no, I see it. Oh no! Oh, it's heading to the others, but maybe it will hit us too. Yeah, it's so strong it can damage everything in this area. Oh no! Hold on tight, my friends. I wish you are okay. Best luck. Okay. Thanks, my best friend. I will remember you forever. It's making me not balance. No! No, the friends are perfect friends. I can't believe that happened. Yeah. Oh no. Yeah. Oh no. Yeah. Some of them are even fainting because of they're so surprised. Yeah. Yeah. Oh no, mother. Oh no. We have to help them. But the other tsunamis are coming. They will be washed out. Then we can never see them. Oh look, there's one rock. It's almost. It also fell down. Now our friends are going without us. Oh no, here comes the other one. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Ah. Oh. Oh. Ow. Ow. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. I'm flying, but the tsunami is so strong, it damaged my wing. So I can't fly anymore. I just can hop. Be careful not to fall down. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Oh, come on. That was a very powerful friendship, guys. Oh no, here comes the other one. No! Explosion! Water explosion! That's what I call a water explosion. Oh, they are just in the other island. Come on, let's help them. Yeah, of course, because they are our group members, we have to help them back. Ow! Yeah, of course. But are you okay, Peacock? Yeah, I'm okay. I'll help the people who are down because I'm a water bird. I can do it easily. Well, okay. Just have to push the water out of the lungs. Push, push. Yeah. Push, push. Of course, the little guy first because he can not survive. Push. Because he's so little and he's just a baby. Push. Oh, thank you. You're welcome. Ow. Are you okay? Today is such a clumsy day. Yeah, because of the tsunamis damaging everything that is here. Not just you. Oh yeah, of course. Push, 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 push. Thanks. Push. You're welcome. Now, let's go up and see what the others are doing. Okay. Me too. Oh look, now everybody is perfect. But let's do quickly because before the other tsunami is coming. Come on, Toucan. Okay. Come on, let's go to save them. Yeah, there must be a lot of them to save. I'm jumping in because I am a water bird. Oh no, I hear the tsunami coming. Oh no, it's on its way. Push. I'm excellent here since I was a baby. Yeah, I think you're born like that. Ow. I'll push you down. I will. Yeah, as I was saying, I think you're born like that. Yeah, of course. Push. Oh no, we both are stuck. Don't worry, Swan is in the rescue. Ow. Well, I'm slipping. I'll hold on tight to you and let's both fall down. Yeah. Okay. Penguins cannot fly. Even peacocks. Peacocks can just fly till less time. Okay, I have to jump. What a great jump. Even for a flightless bird. Yeah. You go first. Okay. Push. Now me. Push. Is everybody here? Yeah. We are all here. You know the tsunami is coming for 3 days? What? Oh no, don't say it. Phew. Don't tell that word again. Okay, otherwise you'll faint again. Yeah. Okay, well, everybody is here. But now we are in the low ground because the villains are not letting to. Oh, who made this bird holes? Let's go into the bird holes for shelter. Yeah, but the tsunami is so big that will flood the bird holes and we will go into deeper sea. Get in. But I have to be with my babies. Oh, there's one. That's the brother. Where's the sister? I'm here. Oh, you're all the way over there. Don't worry, mommy is coming. Okay, be quick. Okay, just be shy now. Okay. I can't reach you. You grabbed my leg. Okay. I thought it was somebody else. Yeah. Anyways. Come on, let's go. Yeah. Yeah, let's go. Hey, father, why are you not coming? Oh, we are coming. There we go. See? Oh, okay. Oh. They're both in there. Ow. Okay, you three, let's go inside. Oh no, there's no space in that room, so we have to be in this room. Okay. In the bird holes, of course. Yeah, there are two more there. Maybe we don't need to use them. Yeah. You see, I am quite injured here, so I can't come. I will be in the empty bird hole. Okay. And I'll guard you. But what about you'll wash away, you know? Don't worry. But I have to. Anybody who has to go in the next one? Yeah. I want to be with him. No, let's be here. No. Okay. Looks like I'll be here. What about okay. What about anybody else? Yeah. 3 of us. Thanks, you're great friends. You're welcome. Okay, there's only 4 of us left outside. Or maybe 3 of them, because one go in, that was the baby peacock. So, I'm going to be here. Ow, ow, beside, elder brother. Oh, okay. Ow, this wall is blocking the way. Oh, ow, ow. Are you okay? Yeah, let me check my eyes are still there because my eyes are very delicate. Okay. Phew, now my turn. Let me jump in. No, I can't. No, there we go. Easy. Oh no, it's coming. I see it. Ooh, some fish. No, don't go, Swan. Oh, okay. Because the tsunami is coming. Hold on tight, even the villains. Yeah. No, the egg. I will save it, even though I am a villain. But I have to save it. Wait, I forgot. How many are finished? I forgot also. You all forgot. No. There was 1, and another 1, 2, 3. 3 more. Oh, 3 done. So 11 minus 3 equals 10, 9, 8. 8 more tsunamis. What? That many still? Yeah, of course. Oh, come on. Now we can eat the fish. Water birds love to eat fish. Hey! Find another fish. Okay. I'll give this to my mother. Such a kind one. Oh, another fish. I'll not eat. Only water birds eat fish. Hey, why did you take it? Sorry. We have to mix it so that everybody can eat together. Oh, great idea. All water birds who want to eat fish, come here and eat. Ow, ow. Okay, there we go. Yeah, water birds love to eat fish. And duck, where are you? Where did he go? Do you see him, guys? Let me just say beside, excuse me. Okay. I think he must be around here. Nope. Where did he go? Hey, any of you, can you see duck in there? No. Maybe he's just around here. Oh, beside. Of course, I'm beside. Yeah. Duck! Where are you? Is that duck? I think that is duck. Wait. Okay, there we go. Let's go. Duck! Fish! There's fish! Oh, fish! My favorite food.